Right, year 12, this is for straightforward log exam questions. You need to be able to mix up the skills. So if you remember, if you inverse log here, you would actually get 64 equals x squared, a very easy 2 marker. You should know that x can equal 8 plus or minus, but because it's log, you can't log a negative number, so x equals 8, you might want to mention does not equal minus 8, and that will get you your full 2 marks. Now for this question, we have to log both sides, so you get log 3 to the 2x equals log 5. Now remember the power law, you can bring this 2x in front of the log, so you get 2x to the log 3 equals log 5, that will get you a method mark. Divide out by log 3 on both sides. So 2x will equal log 5 divided by log 3, and if you divide out by the 2, x will equal log 5 over 2 log 3, and that will get you the full marks. If they want it as an exact value, if they want it significant figures, just use your calculator to work that out. Now let's go with this one. Easier than this example, so that will be log to the 2 to the x equals log 7. Remember the power law, you need to get really good at these laws to do problem solving with logs. And then straightforward here, divide out by log 2, so x equals log 7 over log 2. If they want the exact value, this will give the exact value, and if they ask it to 2 or 3 significant figures, then you'll just use your calculator to work this out, and x would equal 2.8, 1, 2, 3 to 3SF. That will get you your 2 out of 2 marks. Now what about if you have a question like this? This is a 6 marks question, so this is when you need to know your log laws really well. This one is key here because we'll have to inverse log later to get rid of these logs. So what I would do is I would plus log 11x plus 4 on both sides. Now remember, when you plus logs, that the multiplication law is that you can combine them, so that will become hopefully you remember that. Now this is a key point, that's why you need to remember how to use inverse logs. So if you remember this, then that means if you inverse log both sides, you'll get 2x to the minus 1. Luckily this is already factorised for you, so this is quite a nice 6 marker. Will equal 11 to the power of 1, so that will equal 11. Now what should you do here? You should expand that so you can later factorise that to find the solutions. So if I expand this and take away 11, well, I'll expand this first. So this is going to be 2x squared plus 8x minus x minus 4 equals 11. That's going to be 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 equals 11. Now we're going to subtract 11 from both sides to make it a quadratic that we can solve. We're going to get 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 equals 0. Now we'll need to factorise. So I know there's going to be a 2x, an x, going to have a minus 5, or is it a plus 5? Wouldn't have a plus 5 here, because that will give us a plus 10x later, and a minus 3 here to equal 0. So we'll need to solve this bracket. 2x minus 3 equals 0, so x will equal 3 over 2. For this bracket, x equals minus 5. If it is worth a mark to state, can't log a negative number. And there is a lot of method marks picked up here. But you can see the key is you've got to remember the log rules. If you forget to apply the multiplication law, then this question will become very difficult. But if you do it correctly, these questions are very easy.